सवाल है कि क्या जो वेनेजुएला में हुआ इस तरह से कुछ होगा क्या भारत में? हमारे प्रधानमंत्री को किडनैप करके ट्रम्प साहब ले जाएंगे क्या? वही बात बची है बस।
Anuj Raite, my colleague with us. Anuj, take us through what has he said this time around. Of course, he did make those bizarre comments in regard to Operation Sindoor, and this time around he is in fact saying that India needs to speak on the issue as far as Venezuela is concerned, or it could be happening here too.
Divya, it is important for us to understand that Prithviraj Chavan, who has been a former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, has also served as a PMO Minister under Manmohan Singh's government in his second tenure. He's an extremely senior, leader and someone who is not really known to mince his words, but also known to make very educated comments. However, we've seen that in the last 1 month or so, the kind of comments that are coming out from, Mr. Prithviraj Chavan, they have raised the interest in him and his, position here in Maharashtra's politics has made it very interesting. In fact, national politics. Firstly, he raised questions about India's success.
Hold on, I'll just come back to you. Yeah. Let's also listen in to what the UBT leader of Maharashtra has to say. The Sena leader there, Anand Dubey, joining us. Sir, your reaction to what's been said by Prithviraj Chavan, your former Chief Minister of the state?
We are not happy to see this type of nonsense words from Mr. Prithviraj Chavan. इसके पहले भी उन्होंने कहा कि मोदी जी हट जाएंगे, अमेरिका में कुछ होने वाला है, अब कह रहे हैं कि वेनेजुएला में जो हो रहा है वैसा भारत में हो। अरे ये सब लोग कहाँ से सोचते हैं यार? इतने बड़े बड़े पदों पे आप बैठे हैं, आप पीएमओ में रहे, आप मुख्यमंत्री रहे, ये नया भारत है मैडम। ये क्या आपको लग रहा है कि कोई चना बेचने की दुकान है कि कोई आएगा और हमें उठा ले जाएगा? 140 करोड़ देशवासियों की देशभक्ति और राष्ट्रवाद है। सरकारें कोई भी हो, दल कोई भी हो, पार्टियां आएंगी जाएंगी, नेता बचेंगे जिंदा रहेंगे, लेकिन ये हमारे भारत की कोई राष्ट्रपति प्रधानमंत्री को ऐसा कोई सपने में सोचेगा तो उसकी जीभ काट लेंगे और आंख देखेगी तो आंख फोड़ देंगे। ये नया भारत। मैं बार बार कह रहा हूँ कि मुद्दों पे लड़ो, बहुत सारे विषय है।
राइट, आनंद दुबे, अगर आप सुन सकते हैं मेरे को, तो ऑफ कोर्स ये ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बारे में जो उन्होंने क्लेम्स करे थे रिसेंटली क्रिटिसाइजिंग द गवर्नमेंट, उसके बाद फिर से ये कह रहे हैं कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर मोदी को उठा के ले जाएंगे। आपका क्या, ऑफ कोर्स दे हैव मैनेज्ड to in fact pick up the Venezuelan president, and like you are saying that it's not easy to do so, but he's managed to do it in Venezuela. Now it is Prithviraj Chavan saying that this could happen here too. He seems to have lost that line. It is Prithviraj Chavan, the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra, the senior leader of the Congress party there, making claims that, not making claims in regard to what can happen here, but he's saying that India needs to take a stand on what's really happened in the backdrop of the president of Venezuela. He's saying the president was taken to the United States in that flight. He was picked up along with his wife and he was taken away. We also have Asif Bhamla of the BJP with us. Sir, your reaction to the comments that have been made asking the government to take a stand and to speak up on the issue of Venezuela?
I'm surprised at the remarks of the former Chief Minister of Maharashtra. He's been such a senior leader, veteran leader in the Congress. But what is wrong with this mentality and the psyche of the Congress leaders? I mean, is it so easy to enter India and to do an act like this for any country? India is ये नया भारत है. This is a भारत जो एक स्टेटमेंट देता है कि हमें आप छेड़ोगे तो हम छोड़ेंगे नहीं, और आप इस किस्म की एक स्टेटमेंट देकर आप पूरे वर्ल्ड में क्या एक इमेज क्रिएट कर रहे हो अबाउट आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर, बीट एनीबॉडी. आई वुड से इवन इफ इट इज फॉर एनीबॉडी स्पीकिंग फॉर एनी लीडर ऑफ द ऑपोजिशन आल्सो दिस इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेबल. सो फॉरगेट दैट. सो दिस इज द प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड इट्स नॉट समवन who is just an amateur or a novice in the Congress. He's someone who is known. He's someone who has been in the center I think he was a parliamentary affairs minister as well. So all of this put together, if a leader of that stature comes out saying such things, what narrative of the country is he sending globally, and what narrative of the Congress party is he trying to project? That any act to demean the Prime Minister, that any ways we can kind of show the honourable Prime Minister in such a tight spot is some opportunity we do not want to miss. And is this an opportunity also per se? I mean, this is a bizarre comment, and I totally
was to speak
object
on
this.
the matter that India needs to speak on the issue of what has happened in Venezuela and take a stand. That is what he was trying to say here, but of course in a very bizarre way. Thank you so much, sir, for speaking with us here on NDTV.